the more and more engineers. But you are all, mainly the students are going somewhere here and there for 8,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees salary. Just involve in, do some, any special courses needed here, just involve in that and find your topic there. Okay. So the line following robot, there are so many robots are there, the types are there. Line following robot, line means it follows on that. Robotics isn't just follow on line. Other one we call that as the path following. It is a kind of path or the wider line, it just follow that line. Third one we call it as the wall following robot. Wall means when a robot moves here, on the sides, if there are some obstacles, no, I mean walls there, no, it just follow the walls. What is that? Maze wall. We call it as the maze wall. It follows it. These are in order to inculcate that knowledge in the big higher education institutions like the IITs and then the international level robotic associations. They are all conducting all such kind of things in terms of competition, contest, like college level, school level contest. But those are all the real applications, real need of the industries. But line following, path following, wall following. If you are taking industry, the industry may be this whole institution size. That industry where the robot it has to load the component, where it has to unload the component, where it has to load the component inside the machine, where it has to take the piece towards the inspection section, where the section it has to find the quality of the component, what it machined, where the packing section, where the rejection section, everything is being understood by the robotic system. So these are all the basic things, this line following, path following and wall following. Based on the movement of the arm and movement of the robot, we have so many things. That is, majorly we have 4 types. One is called polar type robot, Cartesian robot. Cartesian robot is only about X, Y and Z directions. X direction, Y direction and Z direction. Simple, no rotary movement there. We call such kind of robotics things as Cartesian robot. Second one is polar type robot. It has 2 rotational movement and 1 linear movement. Third one is the cylindrical robot. Cylindrical robot has 1 linear movement and 2 rotary movement. And finally, we can say we call it as Skara robot or articulated robot. 3 movements there. 3 rotary movements in the robot processes. We call that as the articulated robot. These are all just for your idea. I am telling. You can, when you are involved in a project or a contest, you must know all these basic things. These are all the things needed by an industry. Before getting into an industry, if you do such kind of projects in your college level, it will be easy for you to get into that domain and it's easy for you to clear in the interview session. Okay. Next, and I just tell you one of the basic robot. I hope all of you know about the drones. Drones, UAV, that is, what is UAV? Aeronautical. UAV? No aeronautical students. What is UAV?
Unmanned aerial vehicle.
Okay. Drones, unmanned aerial vehicles, all are similar things. What I am telling is such kind of unmanned aerial vehicles, those are all comes under the category of robotic systems. This is one of the robotic system made by our students. It won in one competition and we have applied for the patent for this one. This is an underwater robot. That means this robot, this drone, underwater drone we used to do this. Okay, inside the water. Actually, we made this project for the National Disaster Response Force. Central government, they are coming under the National Disaster Department. They conducted one national level competition under SIH. There, for their thing, we made this design and demonstrated there. It won the first prize for the award. In the river of Ganga Yamuna, if anybody, if any accident had happened, a vehicle or it's inside the river, it's a very vast river, it's very hard to find, hard to locate where is that particular vehicle or person, they are still alive or dead. No one, we don't know. In order to find such kind of things, this stone has been made. It's not only about the physical or mechanical system stone inside the river. It has other controlling systems, how to find a person, still he is alive or dead, what are the material, what are the species inside the river, how it identifies, if any pen or pencil or camera, whatever the things inside the river, it's easy for us to identify and locate those things. Inside the river, it's very hard for us to identify, it's very hard for us to finding the signals. There are no signals. Mobile phone signal only on the ground or upper side, not in the underwater. There we are using going for this sonar application. This is such one kind of project. Just for your understanding, could you say anything about this point?
So the various sensors that we have using in this particular robot are the sonar sensors, which used to find whether there is an obstacle or an object in front of the road. So under the water, the speed of the sound may vary different from the ground level. So in our medium, the speed of sound is 343 meters per second, right? So underwater, the sonar sensor might get